Hi guys, in this video I will show you what our Sierra Electronics Tape Splicer Kit contains. This kit allows you to test and see which tape splicing products work best with your SMD equipment when splicing your SMD reels. The kit includes flat punch paper carrier tape, SMD Tape Extenders different sizes, Splice tape with Splice Shim, double splice tape, cover tape connectors, red Fuji double splice tapes, splicing shims, and tape splice tools. Go to our website tapesplice.com and order your tape splicer kit today. Thank you.